We rolling? Yeah, we rolling. Hey guys, Lucky Puppy here. Today we're rolling with bum 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 bum. Video. Now, oh gosh. Now I'm going to introduce you to my sisters. This one's Nyla. Hello guys. Get off the camera. Stop. She's trying to kiss the string. No. And this is my sister Naima. Hi. That's the camera. I know. Hi. Yeah, sure. She's not very quiet. She can be a snitch, a tattletale.
Show us on my car.
She just gave me a comment and said I'm beautiful. Thank you, Naima. Thank you.
No, I did not. She's mean.
Okay.
She is powerful and she is very mean.
Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some of the bikes my dad owns and stepdad. He made them, and they have motors on them. So let's get started.
He made the motor.
Okay, let's see. Okay, this is one. See, you see? It has like a big seat and a motor. See right there. Okay. And then this is two. See, has a little seat. I don't got no hay to check.
Can I see how many likes you have?
Wait, and this is the motor thingy. And here's the full bike. See. Now this is the last but very awesome one. You can use this as an exercise bar thingy. See? My sister's on it. These are the wheels. Green wheels. These are the wheels. Green wheels. Oh yeah, they light up. So, that's enough for today. I don't really have nothing to talk about. Okay, bye guys.